Welcome guys, welcome to the channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. You don't know say, a country life we say. Enough people live in Jamaica and don't even enjoy the countryside. Country life is the best. So normally, I tour Jamaica, go to different areas, different parishes. So when I'm not touring Jamaica, I always on the countryside doing some farming, look some fruits and thing, so you can keep on watching and big up on yourself anyone I watch from yard and abroad. You can big up on yourself. Jamaica, life nice at Jamaica. Yeah man, so always feel free to come to Jamaica and enjoy the natural beauty of our beautiful island Jamaica. One love and one heart. Blessings. Yeah man, so I'm giving a walk around the farm. I'm going to show you. Have some little things on the farm, really backyard farming and things. So keep tuned and let's get into the video. Same speed, yeah man, you know this. This are the isle nut. Yeah man, them call that tree isle nut tree. So this are the tree they use to make castor oil. Yeah man, you know castor oil have a lot of health benefits. Good for hair growth and everything. So yeah man, this are the castor oil tree, them call it isle nut. So it's all about the country life. When you're in the country, you can do a lot of different things. Going in the backyard, you see a lot of fruits. Yeah man, them call this sweet sap in Jamaica, you know. You can see it. Same speed, we have the papaya. So you can leave in the comment section where you're watching from if you love the country life. As me say, country life are the best. Early morning time, you just can wake up, go up on the farm. If you don't like the sun out, just wake up in the early morning and do enough up on the farm. And you will see a lot of things you achieve. So I'm going to show you normally I plant some pumpkins and some cucumber. I'm going to show you my pumpkin farm. So keep on watching, see my people. One love again, one heart. Yeah man, country life, you know. Water hot. Yeah man, so water hot out of the pipe. Yeah man, have to keep yourself clean for the farm too. Yeah man, so you don't know. Prepare land for the pumpkin, you know. Yeah man, I don't know. Pumpkin is a very easy crop to plant. Pumpkin take like about 3 months. So normally, how I plant my pumpkin. So this is my pumpkin seed. Yeah man, them green. So you know if you plant green pumpkin seed, you can get a lot of different types of variety of pumpkin. So if you plant the pumpkin seed like dry, most likely you'll get one strain of pumpkin, but I normally plant them green, so we can get a different lot of types of pumpkin. You can see soil rich. Yeah, but normally we put like about 4 seed. Sometimes one don't grow. Normally I put like about 4 seeds, not too deep. And like about 4 days time, you'll see some form of sign of germination. You may have been disturbed by pests, some little bugs. So normally get your organic spray and do what's necessary. Yeah man, same time Can get your freshly jelly coconut same way. Also we have some corn. Some real Jamaican corn. I mean, this is not the sweet corn. Yeah man, so this is some feed for the goat. Yeah man, so normally at the early morning time we feed the goats. So that's why I put in some pumpkin and corn same way. If we don't have any feeding or any grass, we normally improvise and plant our pumpkin and our corn. Yeah man, so the thing set, you know. Yeah man, see them know when their master start coming, see that? Yeah man, so nothing like the farm life. Man, so normally make sure so we give them some feed. So yes, my people, so this is what country life is all about on the farm. No matter as much you can be a country boy, you still go out the same way and enjoy life in Jamaica. It's what you do in life. No matter where you come from, you can turn out to something in life same way. Because a lot of people kind of look down upon people if they might do some farming, when that is not the right way to look at life. Because if it wasn't for the farmer, we would not have any grown product. Can put in our soup and cook our dinner. So not everybody go working at the bank. Everybody go stand under AC, and everybody go turn soldier, police, or fireman. So big up all the farmer man them and big up the country life, you know. Yeah man, so in life, you just have to just get up, love what you do. Can't watch people nowadays because at the end of the day, you have to work to support your family. More time I plant something, I not look for make a money off it. I always look for say I can give something to somebody. And also when it's hard time to get grass, I go at them. I just put in some pumpkin so I can use the pumpkin to improvise if we don't have any grass. Because sometimes as a farmer it can be very, very hectic out there if you get grass. Get up early in the morning or cut grass. Most likely when like dry weather. So when dry weather come in, you don't have no grass on the roadside. And normally you can plant your own grass too, you know. They have a grass them call name, they think is the Mombasa grass. The Mombasa grass is a hybrid grass and it grows very, very fast. So this is the hybrid grass. Yeah man, them call this the Mombasa grass. The grass that grow very fast. So I don't have to really worry about grass these last days. I just have to put in the right thing. If you are going to farming, just take your time and do what you're supposed to do. End of the day you will see progress, you know. Yeah man, so same time showing what I go on same way. See that? Yeah man, see this thing? This is for me sharpening machine. Yeah man, this is the sharpening machine. Use one machete, one washing machine, and steel for the basin. So normally I put my grass inside here and cut it. Yeah, man. So if you can't afford to buy one sharpening machine to cut up the grass, you can improvise and build one. So not no nice like I tell you about the countryside, you know. So much things we can do on the farm. Yeah man, so same time. See thing them I use the goat waste. Yeah man, so normally I use this for fertilizer. So I always try to set up so I always lift, do a form of lifting in the goat pen. So when the goat waste, it can come underneath. Yeah man, so it come underneath. You can use this for the fertilizer. So yeah man, so if you learned something on the channel, if you wish to subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section, I would appreciate it because this helps the channel to grow. This will take me a far way with YouTube and its algorithm. So thank you all for watching. As I said, I tour Jamaica and this is what I do in my spare time, farming. So one love, one heart.